Great. So let me welcome you to my official platform. Actually, this particular channel is strictly going to be for tutorials, okay? Tech tutorials, YouTube tutorials, how to grow your YouTube and all that. So anything about tutorials, check it up over here on my YouTube platform. Anyway, so this one is good news to all GNAT teachers across the country of Ghana. Wow. This is strictly for Ghanaian teachers. Yes, from north to south, from east to west. Now, GNAT is actually currently having MTN data bundles for their members, and then they have actually introduced this time round Telecel data bundles. The packages are what you are seeing on your screen right now. They have the 10 gigabyte and then 20 gigabyte, okay? And so it depends on you, the one that you prefer, you select it. Now, before you can be able to do the registration, as I am going to take you through in this particular video, you need to have the registration link. And so please, to get a registration link, right after this particular tutorial, I will place the link at the comment section of this particular video. So you check the comment section, you will see the registration link over there. So you need the registration link, you click on that. When you click on the registration link, it will open this page for you, and here is where you're going to do all the registration. So please take time, read the instructions very well. For the sake of time, that's why I didn't decide to read the instructions, okay? So take time, read them carefully, understand before you kickstart. All right, so now you've actually clicked on the registration link. The next thing that we are going to do is to fill the form, but before that, you need to have your staff ID as proof of identity. All right, and then the commitment to patronize the package on regular basis. You shouldn't be someone who is going to patronize or buy for this month, and then the next month they wouldn't be buying. No. You should be someone who is able to, or who is ready to commit him or herself to be patronizing from time to time. And then you should also have active personal Telecel phone number. That's previously Vodafone number, if you want the bundle to be served onto your number. And so the number that you need to use for the registration is the same number that they are going to send the bundle on. Now that you are through with that, let us take time and then move on to how to do the actual registration and the things that they are requesting from you as the Ghanaian teacher who would want to be hooked up on this GNAT Telecel data bundle. So the registration for the first time is actually ending on the 30th of September, yes. And so if you want to actually register, please be fast. This month it's actually ending on the 30th. All right, I'm sure possibly they are going to be releasing their registration links almost every month, and then they will give you the timeline, so you stick to that. Now, first of all, these are what you need to be able to do the registration. Okay, first of all, you need to select yes, okay, just to affirm that you are going to commit yourself. And then they also need your first name, so you enter your first name as you can see in the screen, and then your last name, you enter it as you have on your pay slip as a Ghanaian teacher. Then they are in need of your staff ID, so enter your staff ID so clearly, okay? And then the school where you teach, please at this space try to enter the school you teach. Some people do normally enter any other school anyway, in any way that you do it. So far as there's a school over there, I'm sure it's possibly going to pick it. But if they are to cross-check, that means you're going to be found wanting. Anyway, then the next you enter your district. That's your district's name. Okay, that one too can actually enter any other district. So you select the region has been selected, and then the last thing is the beneficiary phone number. Over here, enter a preferred Telecel number to which the bundle will be served. So that's your Vodafone number you want the bundles on. So that's what exactly you're going to enter, right? So after you are done, make sure you go over to check if all the information you provided are accurate and that they are intact. All right, if they are intact and they are accurate, then you are good to go. You click on submit down there. Great. So that is what you're going to click on right now. Good. And now as soon as you click on that, this is exactly what you're going to see on the screen. Revised Telecel data only bundle offer. That is September 19th to 25th registration. Thank you for your interest in the offer. Okay, your registration status will be communicated to you via SMS by September 30th. So if you have been able to do that, if you're able to pass through the registration process, you wait patiently till the 30th, right? I'm sure it's left with some few days from the time this video is being made. It's left some few days to get to the 30th so that you get a notification that, hey, you've been hooked on. Now, as said earlier, every blessed month, as they used to do with the MTN data bundles, every blessed month, GNAT together with Telecel will also be sending new registration links to the members. And so if maybe by the time you are watching this video you have missed the registration period, it's not too late. Don't worry, don't panic, okay? What you've got to do is wait patiently. Every blessed month, when the new registration link is in, I will personally send the link for each and every month over here at this particular video, that is at the comment section. So please, if you'd want to be receiving it, if maybe you have missed this particular month on and you want to be receiving the subsequent month registration link to be able to register and take part and be receiving the data bundles, please click on the subscribe button of this my channel right now, and then when you finish, click on the notification bell, the bell over there, click on that and put it to all, so that anytime there is an update here, you will be able to get notification on your phone, so that you can quickly come here and get the registration link, so it wouldn't be too late for you. And so always be checking at the comment section. That is where I will be placing the registration links for every blessed month. So that is it, and that is exactly how you are going to pass through to register for the GNAT Telecel data bundle, strictly for Ghanaian teachers. Thank you very much. God bless you. As said earlier, this my YouTube platform is strictly for tutorials and tech news, tech tutorials and all that. So if you want to be receiving tutorials like this, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and be part of it. Thank you and God bless you.